Imagine you have just launched a product and a lot of users registered within the first hour. You are really hopeful of them converting to paid customers the next day. With this thought, you go to sleep and hope to see some extra cash in your account. But when you wake up the next day, you don't see any cash. A lot more users signed up, but no extra cash because of a payment integration failure. Here comes Informifier to save you. Integrate Informifier with your app to get instant notifications on custom events like user registration, user navigating to the payment page, payment success, payment failure, etc. and get instant notification on Discord. Now I'll be showcasing you a quick demo for Informifier. First, as soon as you log in, you'll see a dashboard with all the data. Then you gotta navigate to the account pane via the sidebar and generate the API key. This enables now you to make projects. Next, head over to the create project pane from the sidebar and then create a project. After creating the project, come over to the manage projects pane. This is your dashboard for the particular project that you selected. Let's go to the demo project and create a new event. I'll be entering the name and the description and an external experience color. Getting into the event, you'll see some code on the right side. This is all you need to integrate Informifier with your app. Here, I've already created a waitlist using plain HTML and JavaScript and integrated it with Informifier, just using the code shown to us previously on our event dashboard. You'll find its code on GitHub to gain a better idea. I'll head over to the waitlist and submit my email, and then get to Discord. And here you go, you have the notification on Discord. We can also have the event logged onto the event management dashboard. That's the demo video for Informifier. For more updates on Informifier, you can follow me on x.com/ZDevelops.